Let's find the derivative of the following function. We want to find f prime of x, given the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 1. And here's our definition. F prime of x is equal to the limit, as h approaches 0, of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. All right, the first thing we need to do is evaluate our function at x plus h, and then from that we'll subtract the function itself. So that's what I've done here. You can see I've plugged in wherever there's an x, we've plugged in an x plus h, and then minus the function itself, f of x. All right, so let's set to our task here of finding the limit of this particular function. It's a little bit messy, but we'll take the limit now as h approaches 0. Foiling this out, we obtain x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 1 minus x squared plus 5x minus 1 all over h. Now, the nice thing about this definition is that we get terms to cancel. X squareds cancel out here. We get the 5x's to cancel out there, and as well, the 1's cancel. So let's clean this up. We have the limit as h approaches 0 of 2xh plus h squared minus 5h all over h. Now, notice that our denominator is going to 0. We have to factor an h out of the top in order to make this work. So we have the limit as h approaches 0. Factoring out that h leaves us with a 2x plus h minus 5 in the top all over h. And now our h's will in fact cancel. So moving over here, we can take the limit now as h approaches 0 of 2x plus h minus 5. And notice when we do this, h here goes to 0, leaving us with simply 2x minus 5. So we can say that the derivative f prime of x for this function is 2x minus 5.